Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 3-light farmhouse tree standing lamp with the metal rattan cage shape design. Alright, so right here we have the 3-light farmhouse style floor lamp. The model of this is E26. The voltage is 110 to 120 volt. The wattage is 8 watt. The base angle is 360. The brightness is 806 lumens. The lifespan is 15,000 hours plus 3,000 warm light. So in the box you do get the user manual on how to set this up, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. It does include 3 LED bulbs. So you got the 3 bulbs right here. And then you got the little cages that go around. These are the rattan cages. Here is the base. The base has arms. It has a step-on switch. The sturdy heavy-duty base. So these are the little cages. So now we're going to remove the base. In the base you have your step-on switch. So these are the cages. So once you open up these 3 boxes, they'll have these nice little cages. These are iron ratted lampshades. So this right here is the top part, and that is the bottom part, so they'll sit on just like this. You do get 2 other ones. So now this is the base. This is very sturdy. It's a bit heavy, so you make sure that it does not move around. The top part is where you'll put the whole arm, the body of the lamp. So this is the bottom. It is super heavy. Here is the top. It's got a matte black finish. So now let's go and make our way to putting on this together. So we'll just take the bottom part. This is the footstep, so this will be at the bottom. This is where it turns on and off by using your foot. So we'll just go ahead and screw this in all the way in. Once you get done with that, you'll have the next part. So you'll just move it up. You'll have these little plastic things up at the top. You'll have to remove them, because if you don't remove them, it won't screw in. So just remove those from there and you can go ahead and screw it in. So now we got that one done. We're going to finish the top ones. So we have just the last one. This is the plastic thing I was talking about. Just go ahead and remove that, or else it will not go in there. Make sure that you pull the wire all the way down at the base. So remove this plastic. So once you pull the wire all the way to the base, make sure you remove that plastic, and it just sits right in there and it twists. So once you get done with it twisting, it'll be time to put on the actual lampshades themselves. This is a metal lampshade, metal pole. Lamp can make all kinds of decorations in the ideal lamp. So now we're going to go ahead and install these. In order to install these, they do have little screws on the inside. So inside the user manual will have 2 little screws and a tool for easy to remove these screws that are in here. So you can see there's 2 little screws, and you have a little tool right here. So just unscrew them because they're already in there. Once you screw those out, you just pop this right up in there, and it should go in with no trouble. And then once it's all the way in, just go ahead and tighten it. Now you got to do it with the other 2 as well. So there's a tiny little screw. They do give you 2 extra ones in case some of them break, or you just need to replace them. So this floor lamp has both artistic and practical, which lights up a sturdy room at night. It does get very, very bright. So if you use all 3 of the lights, it's very bright. If you want something a little bit less bright, I recommend only screwing in maybe 1 light. If you want a little bit brighter, do 2. If you want the full brightness, I recommend doing all the 3. Alright, so now that we got this one up super tight, we're going to make our way to the other 2. So these arms that can be fixed so tightly that the pulls by screws that you'll never need to worry about them to fall down. So that's where you'll connect your little cages and your light. So now that we got all 3 of them on, so this is what it looks like. Now we want to install the lampshades around them. And then below the lampshades, you'll put in your light bulbs. So here's the light bulb. These are LED. So we'll remove these from the box. Grab our lampshades. I found that turning it upside down makes it a lot easier than having it turned this way to install it. So now we're going to remove the little plastic thing at the top. So you can install them this way, or you can turn it upside down, which makes it a lot easier to do. This one here, you'll have to fight gravity to tighten these up. But if you put them upside down, it's a lot easier to install them. Then you have to hold the little cage up. So I'm saying that's a little bit harder this way. If you turn it upside down, it's a lot easier. Then you'll install your LED lamp. So that's tight enough. So now here's our LED bulb. Just twist it in there. So these are super nice. Again, like I said, if you want it super bright, I would recommend using all 3 of the lights. If you don't want it super bright, just a little bit of light, just use 1 bulb. If you want a little bit more brighter than the 1 bulb, I would recommend doing 2. So now that I finished all 3 of them, this is what it looks like off. I'm going to use the floor plug and put them on. So now this is what it looks like when they are all on. It is super bright. It looks really nice. It was super easy to put together, just like any floor lamp that you can get at any local store. It's just the same. These ones are a lot nicer. The fact that you don't have to push a button or anything, you just put your foot on the little button at the bottom. You just step on it and it turns on. Step on it again, it turns off. If you're looking for a nice sturdy floor lamp, I would say definitely check this one out. This is a very beautiful one.